In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find sent emails on Outlook. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can quickly get to the messages you've already sent, whether you're double-checking details or following up with someone. Start by opening Outlook and signing in with your account credentials. If you use more than one account, make sure you're in the correct mailbox where you sent the message. Once Outlook loads, look to the left side of the window for the folder pane. Find the Sent Items folder and click it. If you don't see it right away, expand your account by clicking the small arrow next to the account name. This reveals the standard folders, including Sent Items. Inside Sent Items, Outlook lists your messages in reverse chronological order by default, so the newest messages appear at the top. This makes it easy to scan recent activity without changing any settings. A quick glance at the subject lines, recipients, and timestamps can often jog your memory and help you spot what you need right away. If you have a lot of sent mail or you're looking for something specific, use the search bar at the top of Outlook. Before you type anything, click Sent Items to set the scope, so Outlook searches only within that folder. This small step is important because it narrows your results and keeps you from wading through your entire mailbox. Now type a few details that describe the message, like a keyword from the subject or body, or the person you sent it to. You can also use simple filters directly in the search box, such as to followed by the recipient's name, or subject followed by a keyword that you remember. These filters help Outlook zero in on the right message faster and reduce the need for scrolling. Try combining a couple of details to tighten the results, for example a recipient plus a specific term from the subject. As you type, Outlook may suggest matches. Picking one can save time. After you run the search, confirm you're still scoped to Sent Items, then scan the filtered list. Because the results still show newest first, your recent sent messages that match will appear at the top. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.